2015 Baxterly update video. How we doing?
We're doing great. Catching up on a lot of things. The weather was kind of bad, but
What about the outside? We got it painted? All
everything is painted. We just got a couple little touch-ups on some window panes.
Yeah, and then we got the floor going in.
The
We're
floor
gonna see all that
going
in
in.
the video. Epoxy got done.
Epoxy got done in the bathroom.
Okay.
And the next 4 or 5 days, we'll be wrapping this up.
Okay, well, we still got to get that bathroom in the basement.
Yeah. You gotta. Yep. Gotta get that.
So let's go outside here. So you can see all that got painted.
Hey,
All this got painted. So we're done with it. He's got to do some trim. That's it. So it's 95% right there. He's got to do some trim. We have a guy coming out to do the driveway. See all this is done. There. Really looks good. And then over here. So all this is painted too. Let's go inside, see what we got going. So all the flooring's getting put in. See here. So hey Jay.
How you doing?
So we got this. This is the LTV luxury vinyl. We're putting that in now. See, it's going to be really nice. So that's the color throughout. Of course, we got all this painted. We still got a light to put in there. All the blinds, stuff, and there's some knobs that have to be put in. Checking here again. This was all painted. I'm going to show you the epoxy here. You can see we have stuff that we have to finish. There's notes there. It's all interior painted, it's exterior painted. See how good this looks. It looks like a brand new tub. That's good. I don't know if they did I might have done the bathroom or the kitchen. Let me go see. We got the interior, plugs and switches, exterior, blinds, AC. Did you epoxy the kitchen? I guess he did. Yeah, I didn't catch that. So yeah, here's what that looks like. Like a marble. Gorgeous. He did the backsplash. He did this over here too.
Yes.
So this is all done. It's really nice. So this is the end of your video. Got any questions? 216-703-5740. I'm Brett. I'm with Key Realty. Check out the websites below. Thanks.